In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Grok AI settings. Settings Guide 2026. First, open your browser and head over to grok.com. This is the starting point for everything we'll adjust today. If the site takes a moment to load, give it a second. Once you're on the homepage, you're in the right place. Next, log into your Grok account. This part is quick, and, while not strictly required to view the interface, it's helpful because being signed in ensures any changes you make are saved to your account and carry over if you switch devices. If you already see that you're logged in, you can move right along. On the homepage, you'll see the Grok AI interface. Take a second to get oriented. The layout may vary slightly depending on your screen size, but you should notice a left-hand sidebar or navigation area, along with your main chat or workspace in the center. We'll use that sidebar in a moment. Look toward the left side of the screen, and specifically at the bottom left corner. Click your profile icon. It may appear as your avatar, your initials, or a small user silhouette. If you're on mobile, you may need to tap the menu icon first to reveal the profile area. From the menu that opens, select Settings. This will take you to the control center for your Grok experience. If nothing happens when you click, try again, or make sure pop-up blockers aren't interfering. Inside Settings, you'll see options for things like Account, Appearance, Behavior, Customize, and Data Controls. Think of these as sections that group related preferences. In Account, you typically manage profile details and sign-in preferences. Appearance usually covers themes, font sizes, and layout density, so you can make the interface easier on your eyes. Behavior lets you fine-tune how Grok responds, such as tone or response style, so the AI matches the way you like to work. Customize is where you can tailor prompts or defaults that streamline your common tasks. Data Controls is the place to review history preferences and manage how your data is stored or shared. As you make changes, look for a Save or Apply button. Some settings update immediately, others need confirmation. If you don't see a save option, your changes are likely applied automatically. That's it. To recap, go to grok.com, log in to make sure your preferences are saved, open the homepage, click your profile icon at the bottom left, choose Settings, and then adjust the categories that matter to you. Make your changes, confirm they've been saved, and you're ready to go.